How to change your mobile password. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily change your lock screen password in your mobile. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to change your mobile password, first of all you have to open your mobile setting and here just scroll down and click on lock screen. And here click on screen lock type and click on your current password. Click on continue. And here you can change your password. If I want to click on pin, and from here I can select any pin that I want to add. And after that click on confirm pin without tapping OK. And click on continue. And here you have to enter your pin again and click on OK. And you can see we have successfully changed the mobile password in just few simple steps. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.